In your math class and possibly other classes, it's going to be really important for you to show your work. And if your teacher's not right there for you to hand a paper to or to peek over your shoulder as you're working, it's really hard for them to know where you're struggling, where you might need more help, and how you're doing if they can't see your work and only see an answer. But how do you show your work on a computer? Here I've used one of the easiest apps to use. It's awwapp.com. It's just an online whiteboard. So you can get on and you can write your answers. So I'll put a little square around that. You can also easily erase it. So if I want to clear this, I could just press this delete button, or I could erase just a section. So if my answer was incorrect, I could just erase that rather than all the other work I had done. So with an app like this, I can show my work, but now how do I get it to my teacher? So on this app, they have a really easy button called the export board. So if I click here, maybe, I can export as an image or I can export as a PDF. So if I export it as an image, it's going to pop up. You'll get this extra screen for just a moment, and then it pops up in my folder. I can copy it to clipboard, which is nice if I say want to copy it to a Google Doc where I can paste something directly in there. But if I need to submit this on into Canvas, either as a quiz or a file upload, that's not really an option. I can't just copy and paste an image in. So I would get it from that file, or I can also save as a PDF. Now this one, it tells you wait for a moment, and then I can download it. So you have to wait, then I click download. Again, it pops to that other screen for just a moment, and it tells me that it's in my folder. The third option for getting my image would be I can take a screenshot. So that's just going to take a picture of my screen. So the first way I can do that is I press Control, and if I want my whole screen, so everything that's on here, then while holding down the Control button, I press the button that's above the 6. It's a box with 2 lines, and that will take a picture of my whole screen. But if I only want to show this part, so here's the work that I did for this problem, then I press Control. I also press Shift, and then I press that button above the 6, the box with 2 lines, and you'll notice my screen turns kind of gray. I'm going to click somewhere where I can, that's above the image, so that I can get the whole thing in. So I click down on the left side of my trackpad or my mouse pad, and then with another finger, I move my mouse, my cursor, so that it's taking up the whole image, and then you just release. So now I've got a screenshot just of this part. It shows up down here. Again, I could press copy to clipboard, and then I can copy and paste it. Otherwise, that screenshot also became a file that I can upload. So those are 3 ways that you can get your image of your work to your teacher.